Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to unlock OneNote on your iPhone. Let's begin. To unlock OneNote on your iPhone, you just have to follow these simple steps. For example, if you want to lock a section in OneNote, alright, so you launch the OneNote app on your iPhone, and I want you to navigate to this section you want to lock in. For example, in this case, I'm going to be using this. So you go to the share notebook, all right, and click the copy link to notebook. That's one way. And click the view only. What will happen is no one in your collaborative environment will be able to do anything for this specific section of that notebook. For example, if you wanted to avoid accidental deletion or editing for that specific notebook, and for example, you want to test some data and you don't want anyone, even your client, messes up with that notebook, you just got to use these settings right here that says sharing notebook and view only. So they can only view and they cannot view and edit. All right. So that's one way. Another option is if you hover to the settings, you want to make sure that everything here for the privacy settings is carefully set in so that no one can mess it up. All right, so that's second way. Another option that you can do is go to your home page of your iPhone. For example, in this case, I want you to long press the OneNote app on your iPhone and something like this will appear. These are going to be your options. All right, so you have 5 of them. Now, for you to be able to lock the OneNote app on your iPhone, you just have to enable the biometric security features for easier access, such as going to be some password protection if you have that, or the Face ID or Touch ID option. If you require Face ID, what will happen is, you see this app will require Face ID or your password to open or show content in other apps, all right? App content will not appear on notification, previews, or spotlight. So you have 2 of them. Require Face ID and hide and require Face ID. Now, the idea is that if you are sharing, say for example, share a specific device from your family, your member, your partner, right? You keep them from viewing your notes, all right? Because if you're using a device with coworkers or even maybe your client has lent you the iPhone device, so you can do that. Or if you often leave your iPhone unattended or share it with others, locking ensures your notes stay private. And you can, of course, secure drafts, store ideas, or brainstorming sessions. All you have to do is click the require Face ID. All right, and that's that. All right. Now, of course, you want to make sure that the face has been recognized so you would be able to lock this feature. Okay, and that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.